look at this. Hi there everyone, and welcome to my garden here in at my home in the forest. We're in Denmark, Scandinavia, and I just started up the campfire because tonight I'm gonna cook a nice little chicken stew with a lot of nice ingredients. Okay, I've prepared some garlic and chili and ginger. Time for the onions. So this just have to cook for like a minute or two, and I'll use that time for cutting the red peppers. Time for the mushrooms. And next up is the chicken and some chicken sausage. Some tomato and the red pepper. And last but not least, cream. I will put some parsley in, or some of it, and then save the rest for topping. And finally, some lemon or lime to add the sourness. That's it. I will put on the lid now and leave it for like half an hour till it's done. So now it's just waiting for the dinner while the sun slowly sets. I think there's about an hour left. Yeah, while we wait, you might consider to subscribe to my channel here and share and like if you want to. I would appreciate it, and it would, as always, make me very happy. This is just my humble video channel, and yeah, I create videos about my life here in the forest. So hopefully you want to join me for some more videos. And yeah, I'm just rambling on, waiting for the dinner. So you have to listen to me for like half an hour. No, don't worry. Let's cut to the important part, the stew. Look at this. Looks so delicious. Hopefully it will taste that way too. So to sum it up, it's garlic, chili, ginger, onions, mushrooms, red pepper, some white carrot, some yeah, parsley, chicken, and the chicken sausage, cream, tomato sauce, salt, pepper, paprika. I think that's it. Let's taste it. Ooh. The sauce is good. Let's try the chicken. So tender. Wow. My God. Ooh. Man, it's good. I'm so sorry you can't taste this, but I gave you all the ingredients. You saw me make the dinner, so hopefully you can do it yourself. It tastes amazingly well. Wow. Mm.